Hi Standard 6, how are you today? Are you ready for your next art lesson? Alright, for today's art lesson, your topic is still life drawing. Let me explain to you what is still life drawing first before we get started. Okay, some of you might be asking, teacher, what is a still life drawing? Alright, so before we get started, I will explain to you what is still life drawing. Okay, still life drawing is what we call as a drawing for non-living things. Only for non-living things. Okay, non-living things that are arranged in a specific way to create a meaning or a visual effect. Okay, usually people when they draw still life drawing, they use pencils, pencil colors of like black colors or brown colors. They also use charcoal and also pastel, right? So for still life drawing, people commonly draw things like flowers, vegetables, foods, and also non-living objects like bottles, cups, or even if you want to draw animals, you can draw a dead animal. So that is what we call a still life drawing, only for non-living thing. So if you see your lesson objectives today, you need to be able to draw things in the kitchen, okay, and which has a lot of textures going on later on. Okay, so over here I'm going to teach you how you're going to do it, and then I will also maybe I will make it the video in a fast motion or speed motion so that it can lessen the time, your viewing time. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so the things that I'm going to choose today is things that you usually find in the kitchen: a bowl, spoon, small cups or bottles, or any glasses that has textures on it. Okay, and also if you want to be creative, then you can put shadows. Okay, that is what we call still life drawing. So for today's I'm going to use a different technique, which is I'm going to enlarge everything so that the whole paper will be used. Instead of drawing a small plate in the middle there will be lots of white spaces over here, and then your drawing will look like it is unfinished or not finished yet. Okay, so I think I'm going to use it landscape form. You also can put it in a portrait form. It is up to your preferences. Okay, let me move to this side. Okay, first thing I'm going to draw is the thing that you see first, okay, or in front, because we are going to use also overlapping technique over here. So I think I'm going to start with the biggest object, which is a ball. Okay, I'm going to draw a ball over here. Draw a ball. Okay, and then okay, all right. So in this ball, you can make it look like you can almost see what's inside the ball. Can you see that? Okay, now next thing I'm going to draw over here is a spoon. Can you draw a spoon? If you cannot draw a spoon, you can take your own spoon. Oh, I have a huge spoon here. So let's say I'm going to draw the spoon. Right, so make it slanted a bit. You can just use this spoon, right? Okay, you're not going to draw it like this, but because we want to see that you are viewing the spoon from a bit lower, if you are drawing the spoon all the way over here, it will look like you are looking at the spoon from top. So what you're going to do is just put the spoon aside, and then you can just continue drawing a symmetrical spoon. Make it as symmetrical as possible. Okay, now next one, later on you can add these details. If you want to use these details, then you can add it on. So for example, okay, the details all the way until here. Okay, right, next one, maybe I want to draw, should I draw a plate over here holding the spoon, or should I draw something else? Okay, so let's say I want to draw a small plate or a small bowl over here holding the spoon. Then I can draw. Okay. So this one, make it, okay, rub it off. Where's my, okay. Before you continue, have a look at your drawing first before you continue. Okay. Right. The next one, maybe a bottle over here or a glass. Can make it in. Let me go this side. Okay. Glass. Okay. Now I'm going to put texture here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put another line here, a curved line like this. Don't make it straight, curve. Okay. After the curved line, I'm going to draw some texture which is like bulging. Oh. Okay. Like a bulge over here. Okay, so now I want to make this at the base of the bottle or the glass look like it is bigger than the body. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw the line. Don't make it symmetrical to this line, so make it like a little bit maybe a few, maybe a little far from the line at the up there. Okay, or if you want to, you can make it like this here. Rub it off. Okay. Good. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. What else should we add? Okay, maybe you want to add some more things over here. That is up to you. You want to add any fruits or flowers, that is up to you. Maybe over here I would like to add here a cup or a glass. Small glass. Right? Then after that, okay. Now I'm going to show you how you can put the texture. Okay. Right, let me zoom this a bit. Then, okay. Right. I'm going to draw another line over here. So it will look a little bit like this. As you can see, the line I'm drawing are a little slanted over the top. Okay, to make it look like the cup is like this, going upwards. Smaller at the bottom, I mean. Right, so next one. You want the cup to look like it has a bulge on it. So you can start with your shading. You can shade here. Right? Let's say this is our source of light from this side. Then I'm going to do some light shading here. Okay. Right, can you see it? Okay. You can soften this a bit by rubbing off this upper line. That will soften up the drawing. Okay, now you can proceed with the rest of the drawing, which is you can put the shadows over there. Okay. Here, some shadows again. Okay. And then let's go back to this one, your spoon. Okay, how are you going to make your spoon look like it is in a 3D form? How do you think we can do it? By putting shadows, okay? You can put shadows or textures on your spoon by using the shading technique. Okay, I'm going to put this in a speed motion.